Morning Detox. Kickstart your day with warm water infused with lemon and ginger. This helps cleanse the digestive system and boosts metabolism right from the morning. Plan meals in advance. Preparing meals ensures you stay committed to portion sizes and healthy ingredients, avoiding impulsive junk food choices. Eat more healthy fats. Include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. They keep you full longer and promote the burning of stored fat, including belly fat. Drink apple cider vinegar. Consuming diluted apple cider vinegar before meals can help control blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage around the abdomen. Breathing exercises. Deep breathing techniques, such as diaphragmatic breathing, improve oxygen flow, reduce stress, and aid in losing belly fat. Strengthen your core with Pilates. Pilates targets deep core muscles and strengthens the abdominal area, giving you a toned midsection. Avoid sugary drinks. Replace soda and other sugary beverages with detox waters or herbal teas to reduce calorie intake and bloating. Fiber-rich foods. Foods like oats, beans, and vegetables enhance digestion and prevent fat accumulation in the belly region. Smaller plates. This simple trick reduces portion sizes, helping you consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Chew food slowly. Slow eating aids digestion, gives your body time to register fullness, and prevents overeating. Circuit training. Combine strength exercises with cardio in short bursts to maximize calorie burn and fat loss, especially around the belly. Spice with turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce belly fat. Replace refined carbs. Swap white bread, pasta, and rice with whole grain alternatives to improve energy levels and reduce fat storage. Focus on gut health. Include fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, and yogurt to promote a healthy gut microbiome that supports fat loss. Consistent with meal times. Eating meals at the same time daily regulates your metabolism and prevents overeating. Track your calories. Use apps to monitor your calorie intake and ensure you maintain a calorie deficit for weight loss. Reduce salt intake. Excess salt causes water retention, leading to bloating and an appearance of a larger belly. Prioritize neat non-exercise activity. Thermogenesis. Activities like standing while working or taking the stairs add to your daily calorie burn without structured workouts. Drink green tea daily. Green tea contains catechins that enhance fat burning, particularly in the belly area. Visualize your success. Visualization techniques can keep you motivated and focused on your weight loss journey. Weekly cheat meal. A planned indulgence prevents cravings and helps maintain long-term commitment to your healthy lifestyle. Stay positive and celebrate small wins. Appreciate the progress you make, whether it's losing an inch off your waist or feeling more energetic. Motivation fuels success. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.